Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 is equal to 36. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by subtracting 36 on both sides. So these two cancel out, and I get x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 36 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to rewrite 36 as negative 9 minus 27. And the reason I'm doing this is because 9 is the same thing as 3 squared, and 27 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3. So I'm going to group together x to the power of 3 and 3 to the power of 3. And x to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 2. So I get x squared minus 3 squared minus x to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3. Now, if I have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So I get x plus 3 times x minus 3 minus x to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Now from here, x to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 I can rewrite this as a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So this turns into x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. And now if I factor out x plus 3, I get x plus 3 times x minus 3 plus or I should say x minus 3 minus x squared minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. And this turned into x plus 3 times x squared, negative x squared plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So now from here, this gives me two equations. I get x plus 3 is equal to 0, meaning x is equal to negative 3, and negative x squared plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0, which if I multiply both sides by negative 1, I get x squared minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now to solve this, I'm going to use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this turns into 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 4 times 1 times 12 all over 2 times 1, which is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 48 over 2, which is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 32 over 2, which is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 32 times the square root of negative 1 over 2. And I'm going to simplify the square root of 32, which is equal to the square root of 16 times 2, which is equal to the square root of 16 times the square root of 2, which is equal to 4 root 2. So I get x is equal to 4 plus or minus 4 root 2i, which is the square root of negative 1, over 2, which is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 2i.